Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is that if your screen has some things enabled, which it may not. So for this one, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your screen in an empty space, and then you're going to hit auto arrange icons off, and then that'll allow you to move your icons around. But what you also may notice now is that I couldn't put this directly where I would want it, and it does overline this line. So what you could then do is go back to view and you just re-click on align icons to grid, and now I could put this right where I wanted it without having any issues of it overlapping this line right here. And that goes for any of these as well, and it makes it perfectly convenient and nice. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to replace the image for your cursor and your trash can for Windows. The trash can is changed differently than your other icons. I don't know if that's the same for Mac or not. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go personalize after right clicking on the home screen, and then we're going to go down to themes. And right here where it says mouse cursor, if you click on that, you can then change your design of your cursor, and you would just hit browse and it would show you, and you would find the file on your computer and then hit apply and then close out the menu. And it may take a minute and you may need to load a little bit, but your cursor will then be changed. Now for the trash can, what you're going to do is you're going to go desktops icon settings, and then right here a little window is going to pop up. And what you can do is then you can click on your trash can. So there's going to be a version that's empty and full. And what you can then do is you can change your icon, click on the ones you want, hit apply, and then close out. And that should change your trash can icon. Okay, and now I'm also going to show you really quickly how to change the size of your mouse. And if you want it to be a different color instead of a different image, you would go to your settings and you would hit mouse, and you'd click on your mouse settings. Now once you're on this screen, you'd click adjust mouse and cursor size. And here you can adjust this in any way you want, and then this is where you would change the colors. And that'll be all. So I hope this guy helps you, and okay, so we're going to talk about how to use the converters. So this one that I'm using right here is how to turn a PNG to an icon. First, you're going to choose your file right here, and then you're going to have to hit upload, and then it should show up a little preview down there. If you do not hit upload, your conversion will not work. Then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to hit custom sizes, and click all of these, and then you hit convert to ICO, and then you've got to download your icon, and it'll show up in your downloads as an icon file. The next one I have is this one right here, and this one is to turn a PNG into a cursor icon, and I will insert a file right here. Okay, and then we're gonna click on cursor right here, CUR. Okay, you're gonna convert it, and then you're gonna go down here a little bit and you're gonna hit convert. And when you're gonna scroll back up and you're gonna see it's gonna say converting right here. It'll take a minute, but once it's done, you'll have a cursor file icon that you can just hit download right here, and then it'll have on your computer, and then you will have a cursor icon. All right, so let's begin by talking about what you could do to change your icon size. So first off, you can right click on your mouse, and then you can change your icon sizes right here. I'm not going to click on them currently because it does disorganize all of your icons, or at least that's generally what's happened to me before. Now another thing you can do is if you want everything to be bigger, you can also go to display settings and change the size right here. Now this will, again, it'll change the text, apps, and everything else on your computer, but it will also increase the size of your icons. And if you have multiple screens, you're going to have to go in and do that individually for the other one as well, and not just the one. So that's how you do that.